Hi guys, so today we're going to make an arrow. It's really easy. Just get a toothpick and cotton buds and remove this one here and connect the two cotton buds here. You see that? There's holes here. You just connect that. And sorry for the bad quality. Just connect that like that. Yeah, it's connected. Now get another cotton bud and remove all the cotton here. And next get one rubber band and cut them in half. And get two toothpick and connected them and put that here. Like that. It's connected. Okay, the other side. Like that, guys. Like that. Now it looks like an arrow already. Wait, I need to move this back. Okay, look, I moved it back. Now that's like an arrow. And this is the ammo. You could make more if you want. Now let's test it. And this is how to actually shoot it. Hold it like that. Hold it at the bottom. And put at the string. Put at the string. And shoot and pull it backwards and shoot. It will obviously shoot. Oh no, the string broke. Okay, that's the tutorial of how to make a bow and arrow.